Just look at it go. I don't think you can see that on film. Can you see it? Hi, I'm Vanessa with Community Natural Foods, and today we are going to be making a cauliflower flour, say that 10 times, pizza crust. So we're going to be using mozzarella, almond flour, cauliflower flour, cream cheese, and salt. So we have all of our dry ingredients together. We're going to add it into with the cheese, get that together, and then we're going to put it in a pot so that it melts up together. So we're doing it in a pot. All right, so you pop it all together. Don't inhale. Just look at it go. I don't think you can see that on film. Can you see it? All right, so you're gonna have it on like a medium to low heat because you really wanna have control of the melting so that it doesn't burn. So it's gonna look like this, and I'll show you at different stages so that you can see what it looks like as it's coming together. You can see it's coming together a little bit more, still melting. Induction is truly gonna do this a lot faster. I have an electric stove top at home, and when I was testing this, it was painful. It's really painful. And have a strong wooden spoon as well. I'm just gonna pop this out of here and give it a little mix up so you can see it's turned into a dough. I'm gonna give it a little knead with my hands on the table. And to roll it out, you're gonna wanna use parchment paper, ideally, to roll it between and to bake it on when you par bake it. All right, so you can see it looks like a nice little disc. I'm gonna pop it on there and we're gonna roll it out. It's super greasy, obviously, because of the cheese. So be mindful of that. I also forgot my rolling pins, so we're utilizing a water bottle. So you can see it's nice and thin. And we're gonna pop it in the oven and we're gonna par bake it for about 8 minutes. And then you add your toppings, and then you pop it back in the oven after that. So we'll par bake it, we'll show you what it looks like. We'll add the toppings, and we'll be back. So as you can see, it's come out. It actually looks like pizza crust, which is pretty awesome. You could even do it a little bit thinner than this if you'd like. I'm putting it on a stone. So once you've pulled it out of the oven, you're gonna wanna turn the oven down to 375, top it up, pop it back in and cook it until the cheese is melted. So we're gonna do a pretty simple, classic pizza sauce with buffalo mozzarella and basil. You can also take some Maldon salt and pop it on top of the buffalo mozzarella once it comes out as well, which is really awesome. So we're gonna stick this in the oven and we'll let you know what it looks like when it's done. All right, so our pizza came out. We tried broiling it to get it to go faster. Don't do that. It doesn't work very well. It'll burn up really quickly. So we're just gonna pop some basil on there, nice chiffonade, sprinkle it on. And then you can cut it up and enjoy it. Thanks for watching today. Hit that subscribe button and give us a like. Thank you.